I paint the windows in. Put RWR mags on it. Empties fast. And then I'm going to say to Simple Customs and these people. Sally Kent had criminal intent. Simple Customs wanted to use you for the unconditional love of the child. And even before that, even my birth mother, Sarah Hudson, freaked out on me about a date with an African name when we use a particular name to describe that person. For people to tell me what I like or what I don't like, even that section. Now, I get ripped off a large sum of money from Greg Wilson, who took a jealous fit about that disparaging remark when it came to Jeopardy. And yeah, I may use acrylic paints and all that. I have heart. And I have every right to stand up when one-sided stories are being told. And sadly, one of my female partners, Shelley Goldwyn, heavy alcoholic, it's like my father. Well, they're coke more than anything, they're alcohol. And I got crackheads here trying to want to bite my head off because of their BS. Ah. I think people are telling half that story.